Good morning. Bonjour à tous. J'espère que vous allez bien. I hope that you are doing good. In this class, we are going to learn about pronoun tonics and some of the exceptions while writing conjugation of few verbs. Okay, we'll start with pronoun tonics. Les pronotoniques. Okay, les pronotoniques. Already we learned about subject pronouns. Every subject pronoun accompanied with one pronotonic. We'll see. J, Q, il, L. Okay. Nous, vous, il, elle, plural. These are the subject pronouns. Each subject pronoun we have pronoun tonic. For J, moi. For Q, tua. For il, we have lui. For L, we write the same L. Nous, same only. Nous. Vous, same. For il plural, O. For L plural, L. These are the pronoun tonic associated with the subject pronouns. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, or elle. How we use pronoun tonic? Generally, pronoun tonic we use before subject. For example, when we are introducing moi, je suis étudiant, or if it is feminine, étudiante. Moi, I am a student. Moi, je suis étudiant. Someone asks you, comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Then how will you say? Je m'appelle Srinivas. And if I win after my answer, I can ask them, no? A, vous. What's your name? Or how about you? Or a, tua. In this scenario also, we are using pronoun tonic. We'll see for example for il. Lui, il s'appelle Karan. Okay, lui, il s'appelle Karan. We should not use pronoun tonic as a subject pronoun. For example, moi m'appelle Srinivas. Here it is wrong. Here moi we can't use as a subject pronoun. So we write moi je m'appelle Srinivas. Like that we can say. And it is not accompanied with any pronotonic. Okay, we should not use o pronotonic for o. Either we can use like this: nous, vous, va à la bibliothèque. You can mention like this. But for wo independently, we can't use any pronotonic. And pronotonic can be placed with prepositions. Preposition also we can use pronotonic. For example, je viens avec toi. I come with you. Avec toi. Tu viens chez moi. Do you come with me or do you come my place? With prepositions also we use pronotonic. And when someone asks you questions, while replying also you can use the pronotonic. For example, je préfère latte. They prefer latte. Then if you like also tea, then you can say mua ossi. Okay, here also we are using pronoun tonic. Okay, each subject pronoun accompanied by a pronoun tonic: mua, tua, lui, el, nu, vu, a, el. And the pronoun tonic will write before the subject, and with prepositions also we use the pronoun tonic, and while questioning also we use pronoun tonic. Okay, now we learn some exceptions while writing conjugation. First type, appelle, there is a verb, and appelle, and we can say jete. Appelle means to call, appelle means to spell out, jete means to throw. Okay, it is throw, it is spell out, and it is to call. Okay, to remember, for nu and vu we are adding only single L. For remaining conjugations we are adding double L. For these three verbs we have some exceptions while writing conjugation. For nu vu we add only L. In jete also, if we take the, for nu vu we are taking only single T. This is the one type of exception. We'll see the second type of exception. For example, verbs like ashite means to buy, pese means to weigh. You are weighing, no? Mene means to lead, leve to get up. While writing conjugation of these kind of verbs also, we have some exceptions. See, here also for nu we have some example. We didn't take axa grav. We are adding axa grav for ye except to nu and vu. While writing nu vu, we won't add the axa egu. For remaining verbs also, pese, mene, leve, nu vu, we should not use the axa grav. We wrote axa grav for remaining except to nu and vu. This is one type of exception. We'll see other type of exception. Verbs like prefere, celebrate, repete. Prefere means to prefer. Okay, celebrate to celebrate. Repete means to repeat. While writing these kind of verbs, we add axa egu for first e, axa grav for second e. Same, while writing the conjugation, we have some exceptions for nu and vu. Here for nu and vu, for ye, both e's we are adding egu only. Remaining first e egu, second e axa grav we are using. This is the exception. And this is third type of exception. Paye to pay, netvaye to clean, esaye to try. In this we have y in verbs. While writing these kind of verbs, we have exceptions for nu vu. Je pay, tu pay, il pay, el pay, nu payo, vu paye, il pay, el pay. For nu and vu we are using y. For remaining we are using I. These kind of verbs we use this exception. And for one more verb, commence. Commence means to start. For this verb also, only for nu we only for nu we add cedil for c, like this. Come and say, for making good pronunciation we use cedil. This is the exception for come and say. And we have one more exceptions, verbs like manger, voyager. In these kind of verbs we have z. While writing new conjugation we add OEONS. Generally we add ONS for we have, if we have z in the verb we add for new form EONS. These are the exceptions. Okay. Merci, bonne journée, au revoir.